Hi, good morning. We're here at Oshkosh's booth at Interschutz 2015. Behind me is the Oshkosh XP, which is our latest offering. It's a Scania chassis integrated with an Oshkosh body with a full complement of integrated equipment along with a rear mount pump aimed for the global market. Okay, here we're at the back of the truck with our rear mount pumper. We have a Godiva P2 4010 pump with around the pump foam proportioning system and a high pressure hose reel. Also at the rear of our vehicle we have an integrated ergonomic ladder storage, which is low height access to the ladders for ease of access to the firefighter. We have plenty of storage options available and storage configurations. We have many options to have fold out and pull out trays for equipment mounting.
Oh, wait a minute.
We're here at the Interschutz trade show. Right now we're showing off our Striker Simulator. This is a simulator that you can use for operator and firefighter training. We have three different versions available, going from a simple laptop-based version to a version with 6 screens and a full Striker dashboard. With this simulator, we can throw in multiple scenarios with different types of fires, and you can have other units respond alongside yourself. With the simulator also, some of the benefits are reduced risk for training. You don't have an operator using actual equipment, you're not using fuel, tires, and you can also shoot all of the foam, dry chemical, water that you'd like in a training scenario. With this simulator, we can also train on our Snozzle, high-reach extendable turret, and Pierce aircraft, such as A380 or 747, and practice those types of scenarios.
Hi, I'm Jason Shively. I'm the Director of Engineering of Airport Products for Oshkosh Corporation. I'm here to do a walk-around on the Oshkosh Striker vehicle. We build 4x4s, 6x6s, and 8x8s in the Striker. And this particular vehicle is the truck from Manchester, and it's a 6x6, 12,000 liters of water. We're inside the Striker. The vehicle was designed with the driver in intent. It's designed to be a single-man operation. From the center seating position, you can operate all the switches and controls from a single position. On the left-hand side are all the vehicle controls. To start the vehicle, turn the lights on, and operate the vehicle itself. In the center in front of the driver is the instrument panel, giving them all the information about the driveline and vehicle speed. To the right of the driver, the two displays that you see, the left one is the vehicle information system that supplies the operator with information on the water level, foam level, and any critical systems. The right display is the display that displays the cameras on the vehicle, whether it's a FLIR camera, the backup camera, or forward-facing camera. To the right of the driver are the turret and firefighting controls. From a seated position, the operator can turn the water foam system on and operate all the joysticks. So from a single position, he can operate the vehicle entirely by himself. The cab can seat up to 5 people and has ergonomic controls, ISO symbols to help the operator make critical decisions while he's operating the vehicle. And then finally, a lot of the systems are developed for both EU and U.S. regulations. So from a safety standpoint, the seat belts, the mirrors, the steering, the braking is all designed for both international and U.S. domestic requirements. Hi, we're on the left-hand side of the vehicle now. There's 2 lockers on the left-hand side. The front locker is typically designed for all the discharges on the vehicle. This is customizable by the customer, whether they want hose reels, soft jacketed hose, different connections and fittings. The rear compartment here is kind of where you get into the meat of the firefighting system. The water pump is located here. There's a foam transfer pump to onboard foam under the vehicle. The structural panel is on this side also. This particular vehicle has a couple interesting features to it. One, it has the Oshkosh electronic foam proportioning system. That'll automatically meters the foam based on the amount of water that's flowing out. It is suitable and compatible with all types of foams that are used in the industry. From a backup system, here located on the structural panel is a manual backup for all the firefighting systems. So if there ever is an event that the electrical control is lost, there is a manual backup for those systems. On this vehicle, there is an electronic foam transfer pump that is used for onboarding foam. This truck also has a brass water pump on it to help for corrosion and unclean water situations. So that's a little bit on the left-hand side of the truck. And one of the advantages on the Oshkosh Striker is we are the chassis manufacturer, do a lot of the design work and manufacturing in-house. So the axles themselves are independent Oshkosh TAC4 suspension that is designed and controlled by Oshkosh Corporation. The transfer case and power divider are also designed and developed by Oshkosh. This particular truck has rear steer on it, so the three axles, the first and third axle steer. The third axle steers to help wear on the tires and improves tire life by over 20%. We're now at the rear of the vehicle. On the left-hand side is the service compartment. In this area, all of the critical fluid fills and drains and filters are. So from a maintenance standpoint, the operators need to go to a single point to operate and change all the filters. The engine emissions available on the Striker are Euro 3, Euro 5, and Euro 6. On top of the vehicle at the left is our electric ladder gantry. This is a Oshkosh designed gantry that electronically rotates and lowers the ladders down to ground level so a single operator can load and disload the ladders in the vehicle. We're now on the right-hand side of the Striker. The particular truck from Manchester here has a couple of unique features to it. In the rear here is a dual-agent hose reel. It's a swing out. It'll swing out 90 degrees to be able to drag the hose forward on the vehicle. This compartment on the Striker is very customizable. A lot of options for the customers to put in shelving, compartment storage, and things like that. Working towards the front compartment on the right-hand side, this is where all of the hose discharges are located for the right-hand side. So you can see here there's two unregulateds on this truck and then two pre-connects. So this side is once again really customizable for the users from a discharge. We're at the front of the vehicle for the wrap-up of our tour. The Oshkosh Striker is available with a number of different options for both the bumper and the roof turret. The particular Manchester truck here has a bumper turret rated to 6,000 liters per minute, and it has a foam aspirating tube on it. Also on this vehicle is the Oshkosh Snozzle High Reach Extendable Turret. This particular unit is a 50-footer, can be used for a number of different operations, spraying water, piercing the fuselage. There's several cameras on it that can be used for fire investigation. That's the wrap-up of the Oshkosh Striker. I thank you for your time.